Hi guys, today we'll be unboxing the GL.iNet Mudi 7. It's a 5G and tri-band Wi-Fi 7 router. Let's see. This is what was inside the packaging. Let's see. It's about 7 inches, including the zipper. About 3 inches. Let's see. Strap is about 5 inches. You have an included USB-C to C cable. Let me show you. It's quite a nice cable. The head is almost like 5/8 inch long to the stress relief. There's a 10 gigabyte per second, so USB 3 cable, I believe. It tops out at 60 watts for power transfer. It does not have an e-marker chip, so yeah. Classic do not eat packet. I'll save that for later. Manual. 3-year warranty. 2-year warranty, and then 3-month warranty and accessories. Some more information, and then so this is the front. Okay, this is the front part. You're supposed to start here. It's an overview. The screen is glass. Ethernet, USB-C, USB 3.1. This might be USB 3.1 or 3.2. They just like added a couple things to the specification, so I'm not sure which one exactly is. External antenna ports, TS9. It might be 5G only, but you have to have specific antennas that are compatible with the frequencies of cellular towers. So more information: OpenVPN and WireGuard, YouTube videos, QR codes. And then it's got the admin panel IP address, support emails. Nice. This is the Mudi 7 itself. Let's see. 6 inches, 6 and 8. Let's see how wide. Almost 3 inches, 2 and 7/8 or more. I'd say 3 inches, or maybe a 16th less. Let's see how thick. 7/8 thick. Okay, so on the website they also have a pretty good 3D overview of this. I wish this would be a circle so you could just lift it up a little and then turn it, but this one is just flat, so it's just going to dingle there, and then you just plug it in and it's just going to bend, so it's going to be bending a lot. I'm not sure if that's the best idea. Okay, the other side is the same, but yeah, the glass screen will smudge easily, but it's better than plastic because plastic will scratch and it'll stay there, so glass is definitely the way to go. I just wonder how you would replace the glass if it ever breaks. USB PD port, 5 to 12 volt, USB 3.1. Let's see. The case is nice. Branded battery. I guess this is a sticker to cover a screw to show that you tampered with it. Reset button. Here's the battery. Really nice branded battery. I'm surprised. I have to cover up some of the information here, but everything else should be pretty standard. These are the two SIM ports. I do wish there's maybe a lock or something to prevent the SIM card from sliding out if you pump it, but that might not be necessary depending on yeah, that might not be necessary. Another sticker thing. Yeah, this is a really nice battery. It's a LiPo battery. Can you put this on backwards? No, you can't. You can see the battery percentage just by pressing the button without powering it on, and then you hold to power it on.